two studios. This first one has lots of kind of separate spaces. So there's an entryway with the bathroom right after that. You've got all the storage. Then you've got a big living space. And you can even kind of divide this space. First off, check out these views. But you could put like a bed by the far wall over there past the kitchen. Then you have a kitchen, a table right outside the kitchen or kind of closer to the entrance, and your living space over there. It's sort of easy to divide, but if you go right down the hall, you get a studio that maybe is not as easy to divide. Maybe it's just as easy, but it doesn't have these like separate feeling spaces. It's more of an open concept. If you're in the entryway, you could see the entire rest of the apartment. But it's really nice. Then again, the storage opens up into the living space. If you're in the kitchen, you can see the whole living space from it. Personally, I'd go with this one, but I can't say for sure from like a practical standpoint. So let's see which comment below gets the most likes, and then we'll have our consensus, I guess.